Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can draw on pages and slides in your Canva presentations in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your presentation on Canva, and what you want to do, guys, let me go with this example presentation here. What you want to do first is make sure that you have editing permission. For example, if that's a project you've been working on with your co-editors, make sure that you have access to editing. You can check that here in the top left corner. If editing and make changes is selected, you're good to go. If you're in the viewing mode or commenting, make sure that you switch to editing, and if necessary, ask the author of the presentation if he or she has given you permission to edit the given project. So if you created it yourself, you will automatically have the editing rights here. So what you want to do, guys, is make your changes and edits to your presentation. Once you are ready, it's time to head over to the presentation or preview mode, right? So to do that, click into that drop-down menu next to present. You can also click into present too, but there are other options like the full screen mode, presenter view, and autoplay, where you can customize the length of each slide in your presentation for your audience. I will go with the presenter view, and that is going to redirect you to that menu here. And you can, for example, pause the presentation. So that's how your presentation might look like, and you can click into this button here, draw on page, and then draw, for example, I don't know, with a pen or pencil. You can change the color here or apply a custom color, and show something on your presentation, like, I don't know, smiling faces, or point to something like drawing arrows here in the presentation. Wow, that's a really not the best arrow here. So that's how you do it here. You can also close that window and then navigate to the full screen mode, and that's how your presentation might look like as well. You can navigate through your slides and pages here in the bottom left while showing it to your audience, and again click into that draw on page button, select the given drawing tool like a pen or pencil, just the color. You can also use the eraser. So if I, for example, draw a smiling face like this, you can use the eraser tool and then click into the object to remove it. Press escape to leave the presenter mode. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.